Here's the second of our naughty pasta dishes, and this one is particularly naughty. Garganelli with Gorgonzola piccante and cream. Yum! This should only take about 5 minutes. So, let's start. Put the pan on a very low heat. Add the cream and warm it up at a very low temperature. When it's sizzling, add Gorgonzola piccante. Mix the two together and wait for the cheese to melt. Reduce the sauce for a couple of minutes and it's ready. It's beautifully smooth. The water's boiling, add salt. And now the Garganelli. Put the lid on and wait for the water to boil again. They've reached the surface, they're done. Garganelli with Gorgonzola piccante. Serve it and eat it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.